Okay, welcome to another vlog. The focus of this one is to finally sort out my bathroom cabinets. You guys know, if you followed my previous vlog, that I had some reno happening in the bathroom. They took off the old boiler and installed a new one in the kitchen, and that led us to this empty space in the bathroom. They were meant to do tile walls at first, but then my landlord decided to go ahead and add these cabinets instead. That would give me extra storage, and I've been meaning to organize these cabinets for a while, but I never got around to do it. And then I went to Romania, as you guys saw, and today we're finally doing it. I was actually meant to start this project on Sunday. I even started to vlog on Sunday. I met my friend Eilish and we went for a little Sunday roast on Columbia Road.
Cheers! I love the little gravy boat.
Yeah.
Come to me, child! There she is.
The roast was very good, and since it was mustard, the leftovers were even better. But yeah, after that we went for a little browse on Columbia Road itself. There's the flower market there happening on Sunday, and that was super cute. And then we ended up chilling at her house, having like a Pims and lemonade and listening to Taylor Swift. So that was a very wholesome experience. But once I got home, I was super duper tired and I did not feel like starting the makeover. So here we are today. Let me actually show you guys what I got at the flower market. It's taking most of the frame, but I've got these little eucalyptus for only £5. Such a bargain. And I want to do something very cute that I saw all over my Instagram, which is putting these bad boy in the shower. And apparently that's meant to be very good for you, and like aromatherapy sort of vibes. So I'm gonna do that today. I don't think my boyfriend is gonna love it. Actually, I'm pretty sure he's gonna hate it. But he's currently at work. It comes back at 5, so I have a couple of hours to get this done before it comes in. I think it's gonna be so cool. Also, since we're here, I'm gonna show you guys the bits that I got from Temu for these little bathroom makeover. I got sent this massive package. I did ended up opening it already because it was sent a while ago, but I'm just gonna go through the bits and show it to you guys. Okay, starting off with the first thing. This is not really bathroom related, but I got these little cute pillowcase. I think it's adorable. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks once I put it on. Next up, I got these little guys. I'm not too sure how these are called, but the ones I have in my shower are literally so disgusting, and water keeps going out of the shower because they're quite old. So I decided to go ahead and get some new ones and replace them. These were super cheap as well, so super happy. You guys will know what I'm talking about once I show myself putting these into place. Then I got this little organizer for my like makeup and skin products, all of that stuff. Not gonna lie, it does look and feel quite plasticky, so I'm not too sure if I'll end up keeping it, but I thought I'll give it a go and then see how I feel about it. It was pretty cheap as well, so I can't really complain. Next up, I got these little makeup brushes holder type thing. It's quite big compared to the one that I have, and again, it's very plasticky, but also it was very cheap. So with Temu, I feel like you definitely get what you pay for, so got this one. Then I got these cute little cat toys for our toothbrush. I think that's gonna be so cool. These are simply adorable. Then I got these little guy. I think I showed to you guys in one of my past vlogs, but I've got this little round mirror for the shower and it's black, so I thought I'd get something else in black to put underneath it and have one of those Lush melted bars or something like that. So I got this one. And then lastly, I got two of these peach oranges sort of box. I was originally gonna get these from Primark, but I could not find a color that I liked. This is how it looks like when it's folded, and then it's super easy to go ahead and unfold it, and here we go. It looks like a box now. And then I also got some more in white, but I definitely got the size of these wrong. I mean, I don't know if you can tell, but this is literally tiny. Yeah, I'm not too sure if I will be able to use this. I don't really know for what I will be able to use this, but again, I got a bunch of stuff, so I'm gonna see what I need, and what I don't I'll probably end up returning. So yeah, that's everything that I got from Temu for this little makeover. I'm gonna make a little coffee before I start with these projects though, and I feel like I should probably make lunch because it's about time, but I do not have anything in my fridge, so I'm not too sure what I end up making. We definitely need to go grocery shopping. With these last few trips we decided not to because we didn't want things to go to waste, but now that we're back I need stuff in my fridge. But yeah, we're probably gonna go later on once my boyfriend comes in from work. Let's make that coffee, shall we? Okay, so I had my cappuccino, I had a little toast with butter and jam, and now I'm finally getting around to fix this mess. But first thing first, I'm gonna show you guys what we're dealing with. I'm gonna show you how the bathroom looks like right now, although not gonna lie, I'm not proud of it because it looks very bad, but hopefully we'll get it to a better place today. And I've also filmed my Superdrug present all this morning. The video is probably up, so I'm gonna link it in the eye, but I need to sort out all the new products that I got. I definitely put them in categories already, but I need to find a home for them, so yeah, that's a task for today as well. Here is everything. I mean, it could be worse. I did divide them by category, so we got lashes over here, makeup over there. These are like skin products. We just need to find a home for them and then we're okay. These guys right here I'm gonna give to my boyfriend. They were in my goodie bag as well, but they're men's. Oh, and this is how the little Temu cushion looks like. I think it's super cute. I can't tell if I like two different cushions or if I rather them to be the same, but I'm very obsessed with a new one. Okay, welcome to my extra messy bathroom. These are also not looking great. By my defense, I didn't organize them, I just put stuff inside. So yeah, we'll need to take care of that today, but also let me quickly fix this mess first. A lot of miscellaneous in this basket, but this is mainly supposed to be our PJ basket, so I need to take all of these out. Oh, there it is. I've been looking for this thing yesterday. That's crazy. Oh well. Well, that was not part of the plan. I was trying to clean this mirror and it broke. That's fun. I know they still sell these in Poundland, so I have to get a new one. That is very annoying. I got this new toothbrush from the Superdrug event, so I think I'm gonna pop them in here. Okay. Okay, so please ignore the mirror. We all know what happened. We're not gonna talk about it yet again, but I think I'm gonna put the little toothbrush holder together. I was thinking about putting them one here and one here. I was thinking about putting them there, but I think side by side on this corner is probably better. Okay, that is super cute. I'm gonna give it a bit of time to stick to the wall and then I'll put the toothbrush in. Okay, I got my little bush of eucalyptus. I'm not too sure how we're gonna do it, but finger crossed we'll be able to put this guy up there. I need to get a ladder or something because I can't reach the top of the shower. Okay, well, these feels wrong on so many levels, but let's try. I think we did it. Here we have it. That looks so good. I'm honestly obsessed. Let me add this guy as well. I think it looks pretty good. This little shell fell, unfortunately. I put it back on now and we need to redecorate it. This is so adorable. It smells amazing as well. So of course it's gonna go on the shelf. It all complete. I might shuffle it eventually, but for now I think this is pretty good. Okay, so it's a few days later. I stopped vlogging when my boyfriend got home, and not gonna lie, I was also super overwhelmed, so I decided to take my time, go through every single thing that I own, every single piece of makeup, every single piece of skincare, and decided whether to keep it or not, and also where I was gonna put it. But I'm super happy with how everything turned out. I ended up using everything that I got from Temu and they work worked just fine. So super excited to show them to you guys. And then yesterday me and my boyfriend did a bit of gardening as well. We have a lot of plants around the flat and you guys know that, and so we ended up changing some pots. We ended up planting the small ones that I got from Romania. And I don't know if you remember, but we had these one plant of aloe vera in our bathroom, and I don't really know how the term is in English, but basically she was living out of water. She was like a water plant and the roots were getting crazy, so we ended up putting her on a little vase outside. Hopefully she will thrive, but I have so much to show you guys, so let's start with the bathroom first and then I'm gonna show you the rest. Also, yes, my nails are matching my t-shirt. I do think that's adorable. Okay, where should I start? I added this eucalyptus in the shower. You guys saw that. I think it looks adorable. It smells very good as well. Then something else I did was changing these little thingy. I'm not too sure how they're called, but the old ones were so gross and didn't keep the water out as well. So now all the bottom edge is changed. I will eventually get a new mat as well, but for now we have this one from Temu. Moving on to the sink side, let me show you what changed. You saw me adding these cactus toothbrush holder thingy to the wall. I think that looks so cute. I didn't go around going to Poundland just yet, but I will do, and this mirror will be replaced of course, but for now it is what it is. Then this basket here is our PJ basket, but if you lift it up, we've got these mini containers. So this side right here is my boyfriend, this side is mine. He has a few cream perfume thingy on the first one, and then razors and all that stuff in the second. And this is what's on my side, so sunscreen, all that stuff. And then I got some minis and my hand washing Risk thingy, and this guy goes on top. This one also slide out without having to take the basket off. On the top, nothing really changed. So I've got my everyday makeup on this side, my daily face cream, some eye patches if I feel fancy. This is my nighttime skincare routine products, and these are my daytime skincare routine products. And then over here I got a mirror, my thermal water, soap, and my tingle teaser. These guys knew we're waiting for it to make some roots in water. For the time being, it's just chilling here. I actually ended up washing all the mats and all the towels, everything yesterday, so that felt super good. I did go through these cabinets yesterday, so let me show you how everything looks now. I do want to get more of these pink container box, but for now it looks pretty organized. So I've got most of my cleaning supplies at the top and then a couple miscellaneous at the bottom. And finally, let's move on to these cabinets. You guys are gonna scream. Oh my god. Just tell me it doesn't look so good. Okay, so on this side we have all of my makeup. I've got some face mask on this part as well. Spare makeup in the pink box at the back. I've got some pimple patch on the first drawer and then some extra mascara and lip balm on the second one. I'm honestly obsessed with it. Moving on to the second one, these is most of my nail polishes stuff, and also this green box over here as a bunch of nail equipment. And then in the front I got some products like my Olaplex Ultra Brown Foam Lash Melting Cleansing Balm. And I don't know if you guys remember these, but this is actually Avril Lavigne perfume. I believe it's called Little Black Star, and I still have it from the days. Then moving on to the top, I got some brushes, skincare products, and more like makeup stuff that I don't use at the top. And then this box has a bunch of full-size products that I'm still yet to use. As for the bottom one, it's not very organized, mainly because I ran out of containers. The top one I'm mainly using as storage, and then the bottom adds some weight, some bath bombs, my UGG cleaning set, and then a spare mat. So yeah, nothing too exciting, but it's definitely practical. So that was the bathroom. I think it looks so good. Now I'm so glad it's finally organized. That was definitely in my bucket list of things to do, and I can finally check that off. I do wanted to organize it all with you guys and show you every single thing that I own, but like I said, I was getting super overwhelmed because not only I had to organize everything that I already own, but I also had to find a place for the new things that I got in my Superdrug Present goodie bag, and so that was a whole thing. I ended up also reorganizing my 2 pink boxes. I will show them to you guys. Look so much better now. They're organized by category as well. So this one is mainly skincare bits and extra makeup, and then this one has all my hair product stuff, some hair coloring, all that stuff. And this box has a bunch of lashes. Very happy with it. I don't think I mentioned it just yet, but we ended up deep cleaning this apartment yesterday, and I'm literally so happy with it. That everything is clean now, all the surfaces are sanitized, and that makes me literally so happy. I even got around washing our bed sheets, and the feeling of getting into bed when the bed sheets are freshly clean and they smell amazing, it's another level of comfort. Something else we did yesterday was putting our new rug. I was waiting and waiting because they technically haven't finished to do reno in this apartment. My landlord still needs to get in contact with me because he said he wanted to build a cabinet to cover our boiler, and I'm not too sure what they want to do with all the tubes as well, so that is still a work in progress. But I've been waiting for them to come and do that for the longest time, and I just wanted to put my new carpet on. It's super gloomy today, so I don't mind that, but I'm obsessed with these carpets. Also, yes, we have a rule: no shoes on the carpet. It's literally so comfy though, and you know the feeling when you get a new rug and you're like, oh, I'm obsessed with it. Well, this is how I feel about this rug. Something else I'm obsessed with is my new centerpiece. I got some fresh fruit for the season. Beautiful peony from Tesco for only $5. They still need to bloom, but I know they're gonna be amazing. And then here we have my little plant. We changed the pot to this little baby to a bigger one, and I really hope she can thrive. These guys are new, they're all the way from Romania. This is my little prime rose. There's no flower anymore, and it was pretty much dead, but look at all these leaves. She's thriving. And then this little guy is the one that we planted. It was in the bathroom at first. That's it for today's video. I am waiting for my landlord and his buddy to come and install the little cabinet that I was telling you guys about before I can actually film a flat tour. Now that the bathroom is finalized as well, there's pretty much nothing else that I need to do in this flat, and so finger crossed I can film that ASAP for you guys. But until then, of course, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know in the comments below if you're excited for the flat tour, and of course, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!